I was in here, what, maybe a week ago, and these are actually metal, really pretty. So they had started putting out their pumpkins, but now they have a little bit more fall decor. And I thought I would film it for you, and then we'll take a peek and see if there's any Halloween stuff as well. Is this material? Yep. Sometimes you don't know if it's resin or like a plastic. So cute with the felt. Oh, this is kind of like a clay feel or cement. It's textured really pretty. Oh my goodness, those pumpkins are gorgeous. Little boot track. This will sell fast. Somebody sees it, they'll swipe it. The little red truck, you can decorate that for Christmas easily. Transform it so it doesn't have to stay as a fall item. And 3 pumpkins together. Oh, I like this piece here. So they finally transformed the front display into complete fall. I think I walked in right when they've put things out. Usually you can tell by if you see two of each thing on display. It's pretty much what a little tip that I was given is they bring 2 of each out. Oh, he's cute. Oh, I think he's coming home with me. Yeah, so it looks like things are in pairs right now, which is a good sign that I've come in at the right time. And the gnomes are going to go really quick. They're all very cute with the beard. Oh, this one's beautiful. It has like a faux wood almost stone effect. Another big gnome. Okay, so they still have their garden things out, and you can see a few Halloween things are being put out. I'll take a spin around. There's another person in the other house. I just was waiting to clear the area, but here are some more Halloween items. And then, oh, this little car is so nostalgic, right? A little gnome and ceramic, some skeleton heads and pumpkin or oh my gosh, jack-o'-lanterns. A rainbow themed, a little frog sitting on a pumpkin. Oh, I love the witches, they're so cute. And oh, look at the haunted house, that's beautiful. So you can see that some of them are missing. Oh no, he's matching the one that's sitting on the second shelf there. But oh, look at this. What is this? Oh my gosh, I forget the movie. All right, how awesome is this wreath? And we know with some Dollar Tree items, we could make an awesome wreath like that. Anyways, going on a hocus pocus. I need wine to focus. I need coffee to focus. Oh, here's like a stone effect pumpkin. Beautiful. I'm actually going to look for one that lights up, I think. Oh my gosh, some of these signs are funny. It's hard to tell, but these pumpkins are very large, very beautiful in real life, and they have a very natural feel to them. Very harvest feel. So in this area here, you can see that they have engravements or I guess like sentiments written onto the pumpkins. And if you're looking for that, there's one that's, the pumpkin pie recipe, and they have some words like thankful, grateful, etc. So it seems like they kind of gathered those in one area. And then they have these gorgeous velvet pumpkins. Just so beautiful. So many different colors and varieties and textures, just to suit any home decor in your style. They do really have a great selection. This is a new find. I have never noticed them to be carrying, knobs and things. Like, these are drawer knobs, and you can use them in the kitchen or vanity. If you're doing any sort of home renovation or upgrade, they have really cute selection right now. A few more Halloween items. Kind of like a blue and black theme. So I actually took a peek at the pillows just to see if there were any fall themed ones, but so far only the table linens, like tablecloths and napkins, are out. I didn't see any pillows. These are so beautiful. They're embroidered. So you have a few embroidered textured towels, so gorgeous. And the fall ones are almost all sold out.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried. All the years that I've wasted trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. Early blue morning, when everything's cold, I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that eases my soul. I let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear